Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a new syllabus, a new chapter, that is HCF and LCM. I hope that last chapter triangles you don't have so much of problem of doing that sums. Today I will be giving the solution of last class also. Today we'll start with the HCF and LCM, and this chapter you've done in 6, not 6 and 7. You've done in the 4 and 5 also. This is a basic part. I'm just doing one more time revisions. What is given? Prime numbers. You know the prime numbers, the numbers that have only two factors, the number itself and 1, that means what? 2 into 1, 3 into 1. See the number and the 1 itself, and 1. See, this is only called the prime numbers. And what is composite number? The number which have more than two factors. That means see, 2 into 3, 6 are written, given example. 1 into 6 I can write down. Again 8, 2 into 4 and 1 into 8. 15 also, like no more numbers are there. Apart from the prime numbers, all are composite number. Okay, all are composite number. Now we come back to co-prime. Co-prime means the prime and the co-prime. Co-prime will be what? When two numbers have only 1 as a common factor, they said to be co-prime. Co-prime means only the numbers which is having only 1 as a common. See, 8 and 15 if I do, then 1 in 1 is coming one factor. See, factor means the common factors. That means we can say then 8 and 15 are the co-prime number. Now what is twin prime? What is twin prime? If two consecutive prime numbers differ by 2, then they said to be twin prime. 2 consecutive means what? One after another, means 2 and 3, 2 and not 3, I'm telling about 3 and 5, 5, 7 I've written, 9, 11, 13, 9 and 13 also we can do. Okay, these are the means what? See the difference. See, 5 minus 3 is coming 2, 7 minus 5 is also coming 2. These are also twin prime numbers. Now next we'll show the HCF. HCF will show by prime factor method and by long division method. Prime factor method you know already how to do. The question is given that find the HCF of 90, 120 and 150 by prime factor method, and second is the long division method. Prime factor method I know what we have to do separately. We have to do the prime factor method. We find out, see, always start with the small number, that is 2, then will be coming 3. Don't jump. See, after 2 it is coming 45. This 45 is also divisible by 5. I should have written 5, but I have not written. Why? As because you have to go by systematic. That means 2, then 3, then 4, 5, like that will be the numbers you have to go for the prime factor method. Now from here I have written the value. See, the what is given, 90 equals to 2 into 3 into 5, and same thing also written in the 20, 120 and 150 also. Now if you see the highest common factor, two highest common factor, how many? 1, these are all the common factors, these is also the common factors, and these are the 5 and 5 and 5. Okay, now from here I can written that the HCF of 90, 120 and 150 what? 2 into 3 into 5. I should have not written 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. No, it is written highest. HCF means highest common factor. In these numbers, what is the 2's highest common? That is a 2, and it is coming 3 and 5. That is coming 30. Now with the same question, I will do the long division method. Long division method, what is given? See, in the numbers, what are the numbers given? 90, 120 and 150 given. Then from here, always you take the small number and divide with the larger number. Out of these 3 numbers, which is the largest? This is the largest. Then 90 divided by 150. So 50 divided by 90 is what coming? See, 1 is coming remainder 60. Then again this 90 will come here. Then again divided by, that is coming what? 60. So what is the remaining? 30. Again this is coming. See what I've written? See, remainder is 60. From here 90 is coming again over here. Again I've written 90, 60 into 1 is what? 60. Then what is the remaining? 30 is the remaining. Now again see, this 60 are coming from here. The remainder, the quotient will be written down over here. Again 30 into 2 is what? 60. Now from here, now here it doesn't give any remainder. Now this is the 30. This last part will do dividing with 150. See, the last part is remaining what? We have divided 90 and 150. Now we divide for the 30 is remaining. With that 30 quotient we will be dividing with 120. So what is the remaining? See, 30 into 4 is coming 140, remainder is 0. That means what? This 30 is only the HCF. Then HCF of 90, 120, 150 is coming 30. Okay, see the same question I have done both the question with the same value, and this value the answer also came. That means what? If you do with prime factor method and if you do with the long division method, the value will always come this same. But if it is mentioned that in the question, suppose in the exam you have to do by long division method, then you have to do by long division method only, then only you get the marks. If it asks for the prime factor method, then you have to go for prime factor method only. I hope you've understood this part today. Next day we'll do the some exercises question also, and today I'll give some exercise homework also that you do in your, and this all these things you do in your classwork copy only. All these things you do in your classwork copy only. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.